Alright, so let's go ahead and attach a canopy anchor here with a quick link, a quickie, and we're just going to choose the length of rope we're going to be working on. I do expect to make a redirect, so I'll make sure to add enough length for that. And one thing to note with the quickie is that the quickie, the little locking pin, it does have a flat side on it, and the flat side is the bark side. So if you can remember that, flat side is the bark side, you'll never install it incorrectly, because if you install it with that protruding pin towards the bark, there's a chance that the pin will fail and your quick link will come apart. So this is how I like to do it. Go around my working line and then through the alpine.